An electric dipole is placed along the x-axis at the origin O. A point P is at a distance of 20 centimeter from this origin such that OP makes an angle of pi by 3 with the x-axis. If the electric field at the point P makes an angle theta with the x-axis, then the value of theta would be okay. So we have to find the electric field angle. So the angle made by the electric field with the first x-axis. Okay. So here the radius vector of the given point makes an angle of pi by 3. Now we need to find the total angle made by the general electric field at that point P. So it's a general point given. So we need to find the angle made by it. So this is the dipole and this is the origin. So the dipole is placed at the origin. Now this is x-axis. So this is the general point. The radius vector of the general point makes an angle of pi by 3. Pi by 3. So at this general point, so there will be two electric fields. When you resolve this P into two components, so we'll get two electric fields, and the net electric field will make certain angle alpha. This is the net electric field. So the angle made by the net electric field with this radius vector is alpha. So to get that alpha, we make use of this formula. Tan alpha equal to tan pi by 3 divided by 2. This is the formula. So if you know the angle made by the general, if you know the angle made by the radius vector of the general point, then the angle made by the net electric field at that point P with the radius vector is given by tan of that angle divided by 2. So tan alpha is equal to tan pi by 3. Tan 60 is root 3 divided by 2. So we will get alpha value. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of root 3 by 2. So this is the angle made by the net electric field with the radius vector. But we want with the x-axis. So this is x-axis. This angle already we know. This angle is same as this angle. This angle is same as this angle. So this is pi by 3. So what is the total angle made with the x-axis? Total angle made by electric field with x-axis is, say that total angle is theta. It is pi by 3 plus alpha. So that is pi by 3 plus tan inverse of root 3 by 2. So this is the correct answer. Let us see. Option B is correct.